Hadin ke jingkhang no jong ka maulai town dorbar ya ke jingpolong jong ka public hearing lani ke public meeting jong ke seng VPP tenakliang jong ka government of Meghalaya lengba ka district council affairs department lengba ka smiti M Shira Kshir MCS deputy secretary to the government of Meghalaya kala ai ya gani ke city sha kini ki department baper ki bedai hapo ka Khasi hill bat kumjuru jong ka Jaintia te kata kabankong kalecha ka district election officer lene DEO jonga East Khasi Hill district Shillong, West Khasi Hill district Nongstoin, South West Khasi Hill district Maukurwan, Eastern West Khasi Hill district Mairang, Ribhoi district Nongpo, East Jaintia Hill district Cleariat but West Jaintia Hill district Jowai. Kabar kalecha ka sub divisional officer Sora but Amlarem but kumjuru shaki returning officer Jonga East Khasi Hill District Shillong, West Khasi Hill District Nongstoin, Southwest Khasi Hill District Mokorwan, Eastern West Khasi Hill District Mairang, Ribhoi District Nongpo, East Jaintia Hill District Cleariat, West Jaintia Hill District Jowai. But kani kadai halor kapang kabala pan permission lengba jong kini ki nong mikmat ki jongi kata kepada jong MP but i general secretary jong ka party VPP kata halor ka jingpelong jong ka public meeting lane public campaign jong kane ka election MDC jong usnam ajar absan tenekliang jong ka te ka deputy secretary jong ka government of Meghalaya kalapha sha ki shnong lane ki headman lane ki rangba shnong bakin le ya kabadon kam kata with reference to this subject and letter cited above I am directed to say that in the interest of free and fair conduct of district council election 2025 you are requested to instruct the headman or the Bashnong to allow the public meeting of all political parties, including independent candidates. Tenakliang jong ka Meghalaya government kala island but kala sya ya kino ki political parties bikin penlong ya ka public hearing lane ka public meeting kumjuru ka public campaign ha kini ki Aishnong ki baper kepada hapo kari lum Khasi ba Jaintia bal la sya'ru yaki bakin lej ban yakren ya ki rangba shnong bat kumjuru jong ka dorbar shnong jong ki shnong baper ki ba kine ki political parties ki kwa man penlong ya kane ka public meeting te nakata kadaw ngami pi sngo shngain but long ki ba yesha ladawan kino ki political parties ki ban pensyai halor ki mat ki kendon ki ba ki kidon dat kamtam nagliang jong ka voice of the people party lane VPP ka kwa ban pensutu ya ki mat ki kendon trekam jong kaseng ti kamta lakapat ya ka Khasi Jaintia bakin